we start, we are not sponsoring this.
And we're also not sponsored.
Yes.
No
Good words,
sponsor.
my friend.
No sponsor.
So yeah, today we're doing this thing stuff.
Sliders.
Mini sliders. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. So it looks good so far. I mean, I like messy food.
What's the inside?
Hmm?
What's on the inside?
Meat. Here, this will be my test one. I'm just gonna take a whole sweet mother of heaven. So this will be my test one. Then I'm also gonna eat. Okay, I have two right here. So cheesy cheese that looks very unappetizing, but I can tell it's gonna be good. Okay, so I'm gonna try it.
With meat, cheese, and onion in there.
For once, I don't really care. I don't want to do that.
That was definitely necessary.
Well,
He's in the zone.
well, I can definitely tell that this thing is flaky. I like that. And then the meat is well cooked in a microwave.
Yeah.
I mean, I could do without the onions, but you know, it's reasonable. It's good. My rating 1 out of 10 would probably be 9 and a 9.
9 and a 9?
No, just 9.
Is it really that good?
Fine, an 8 3/4.
Okay, I guess. So that's 8.75 for you.
I wish they actually looked that nice. You got them, because that is
Well,
way...
you know, all food you see commercials for and they look amazing.
Except Carl's Jr. Their burgers
Yeah.
actually do look like they do in the commercials. Okay.
Do you recommend this?
Yes, very much so. Well, here's the brand name. Remember, we're not sponsored or
White
sponsoring.
Castle. Don't sue us, please. We're just reviewing this.
Yeah, so we're not sponsored. That's why
Uh-huh.
we're safe now.
Yeah, we're safe because we said a couple of words.
Words help. Don't be mean. Drive carefully.
And this thing has 33 calories.
And only 4 sugars. That's great. And let's see.
How much? Not 330 calories.
Is there any fiber?
Serving size is the serving size is 2, so there's 330 calories in 2 of these.
Yummy. And there's 2 whole fiber things. That's great.
Dietary fiber. You'd like that, don't you?
I'm fiber bunny, of course.
And unfortunately, there's 4 sugars, but that's fine.
Let's give it a nice kick. Okay, well, that's all for this video. Goodbye.